Understanding, in case of, a guide to English phrases. Hello and welcome, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the phrase, in case of. This common expression is a gateway to expressing preparedness and precaution in English. So, let's unravel its meaning together. In case of is a phrase used to discuss actions to be taken in preparation for a possible event or situation. It helps us convey a sense of safety and foresight in our plans. For example, in case of rain, bring an umbrella. This phrase is often followed by a noun or a noun phrase. It's important to remember that it sets up a conditional scenario. It doesn't go with verbs directly. If you need to use a verb after it, the verb will be in the gerund form, which ends in ing. Let's look at some examples to see, in case of, in action. In case of fire, exit the building through the marked doors. Keep some water in case of thirst during the hike. Save a little money in case of emergencies. A common mistake is confusing, in case of, with, if. Remember, in case of, is about preparation, while, if, is about the condition itself. For instance, take an umbrella if it rains, is different from, take an umbrella in case of rain. To use, in case of, correctly, think about the precautionary measures you would take. If you can replace it with, as a precaution for, you're using it right. That's all for today. I hope this video clarifies how to use, in case of, effectively in your daily conversations. Stay curious, and keep learning. Until next time, keep practicing and you'll master the nuances of English in no time.